It is a certainty as old as time itself. The Earth, our home, is destined to face the threat of a catastrophic asteroid impact. For billions of years, large rocks from space have collided with our planet, shaping its history and future. Today, we find ourselves at a critical juncture where our survival hinges on acknowledging and preparing for this inevitable reality. Around the world, dedicated organizations diligently monitor the skies, creating maps and catalogs of potentially hazardous near-Earth objects, or NEOs. These celestial bodies, some larger than a kilometer across, pose a grave danger to humanity. Their impacts can obliterate entire cities and wreak havoc on a global scale. Thanks to the tireless efforts of astronomers, we have reliable maps of nearly all kilometer-scale NEOs. These maps allow us to estimate the risks they pose over the next century. According to recent analyses, none of these large NEOs are expected to pose a significant threat during that time. However, our ability to predict their paths diminishes as we look further into the future. Orbital dynamics are complex and sensitive. Small disturbances such as solar heating or gravitational tugs from celestial bodies like Jupiter can drastically alter an asteroid's trajectory over thousands of years. This makes long-term predictions challenging. To gain insight, astronomers meticulously simulate countless possible trajectories, accounting for uncertainties in the NEO's current positions and velocities. Among the hazardous NEOs, one asteroid stands out: Asteroid 7482. It will closely approach Earth numerous times over the next millennium, making it the most concerning candidate for a potential collision within the next 1,000 years. Another asteroid, Asteroid 143,651, defies predictability with its chaotic orbit, rendering its future position beyond a few decades uncertain. The astronomers have identified 28 NEOs that could experience a deep encounter, passing closer to Earth than the Moon. While the likelihood of these objects striking our planet in the next 100 or 1,000 years remains low, it is imperative that we remain vigilant and attentive to their movements if we are to ensure our long-term survival. Our resilience as a species lies in our ability to face challenges head-on. By dedicating resources to tracking and studying these hazardous NEOs, we enhance our understanding of the cosmos and our ability to protect ourselves. Scientists, engineers, and researchers worldwide are developing technologies to detect, deflect, and mitigate the threat posed by these celestial intruders. As we gaze upon the vastness of the universe, we are reminded of our responsibility to safeguard our home. By embracing the reality of hazardous asteroids and preparing for their potential impacts, we ensure the preservation of our planet and the future of humanity.